Welcome to Crojo Corner. My name is Laura. Today I'm going to show you two bags that I received from LASNV. I was contacted by them and they offered to send me two bags free of charge to review on my channel, so I took them up on the offer. I'm going to go ahead and show you the first bag that I chose. I thought this was adorable. This is a beautiful little bag and it's got these pretty little flowers on the front. It's very soft and it feels like it's very durable and well made. The seams are nice and secure on the bottom and it looks like it's made with yarn. I love it. It's a great little project bag to take on the go, or it would be nice to take, possibly to the beach, look cute with a little cover up and a bikini. And then I also chose this little bag. I thought this was great for going to the beach in the summertime. It has the little holes in it. These are very inexpensive. And I have a code to share with you in just a moment, but let's just go ahead and take a look at this little bag here. It has a nice little pocket on the inside, and it has two handles here and a nice little zipper. And it's great to take to the beach because the sand just falls right out as long as it doesn't get in your car on the way home. So I thought these were great bags. I really appreciate LASNV for sending me these bags. I will go ahead and link them down below in the description box if you wanted to get a set for yourself. But they have evening bags, they have casual bags, they have, all kinds of different style of bags that you would like. All kinds of different tote bags and things. And the great part is that they are combining all of their discount codes. By using my personal code, you will get 5% off, and the code is corner5off. So you can use that to get 5% off of your order. And then you can also take advantage of their 2023 spring fan promotion, and it's a $10 off coupon. There is no limit. So you can use that in conjunction with your 5% off. And then on top of that, they also have save $6 on $50 or more purchase. So go ahead and check out the link down below, and that will take you to their store. And I will also link the items down below along with the other discount codes that I just gave you. And you can get some of these bags for yourself because they are really inexpensive and super cute. I love this bag and I think this one's great as well. So I really hope that you enjoyed looking at these bags, and I hope that you enjoyed the website and all the discounts that they have given you. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye.